Hello, hackers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to BP Coding, the go-to channel for all things coding, hacking, and cybersecurity. I am your host, Bibash Sharma, the program director of BP Coding. Here we decode complex cybersecurity concepts, unravel the intricacies of coding, and dive into the thrilling world of hacking. Ethical hacking, that is. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's sure to pique your interest. A potent tool in the realm of ethical hacking, known as Legion Root. Legion Root is a comprehensive security framework that's a must-have for every ethical hacker. It's an open-source project that's been designed to streamline penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking, focusing on this powerful tool, Legion Root. So, what exactly is Legion Root? Well, imagine a comprehensive security framework that enables ethical hackers to assess and bolster the security of a system. That's Legion for you. It's an open-source project that has been meticulously crafted to streamline penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. Now, you might be wondering, what does all of this really mean? In simpler terms, Legion allows ethical hackers to simulate cyber attacks on a system. This is done to identify potential vulnerabilities, which can then be fixed before they are exploited by malicious hackers. It's like a locksmith testing their own locks to ensure they can't be picked. Legion not only lets you test the locks, but also helps you create stronger ones. In the world of ethical hacking, Legion is your trusty toolbox, filled with a variety of tools to protect systems from cyber threats. Legion is an open-source project designed to streamline penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features of Legion. This powerful tool is engineered with a vast array of capabilities that make it a must-have for every ethical hacker. One of its standout features is the ability to conduct comprehensive information gathering. This allows you to collect and analyze data, providing a detailed insight into the target system. Another core feature of Legion is vulnerability analysis. It can identify potential weaknesses in a system, giving you the opportunity to enhance the system's defenses before a malicious attacker exploits them. It's like having a guardian angel watching over your network, constantly on the lookout for any chinks in the armor. But Legion doesn't stop there. It also offers robust exploitation features. This means that once a vulnerability is discovered, Legion can simulate an attack to demonstrate how a real-world breach could occur. This hands-on approach helps you understand the risks at a much deeper level. Finally, Legion shines in its post-exploitation capabilities. After an attack simulation, it can help you understand what the potential fallout could be and how to prevent it in the future. It's not just about finding the vulnerabilities, it's about learning, adapting, and improving. In short, Legion is an all-in-one tool for ethical hacking. Its features are designed to help you uncover and address vulnerabilities in a proactive manner, ensuring that your system is as secure as possible. With Legion, you can perform targeted attacks and identify weaknesses in a system's defenses. Using Legion is as powerful as it is versatile. This tool is your key to unlocking a treasure trove of ethical hacking techniques. But how exactly do we wield this powerful tool? Let's dive right in. Firstly, network scanning. This is your starting point. Legion allows you to map out the entire network, identifying all devices connected to it. This gives you a clear picture of the battlefield, so to speak. Next, we have brute force attacks. Now, this isn't about mindlessly hammering away at a system. Legion allows for intelligent brute force attacks. You can customize the character set, the length of the password, and even use dictionaries to optimize your attack. Remember, the aim isn't to break in, but to identify potential weaknesses. Then comes privilege escalation. Often you'll find yourself with limited access to a system. This is where privilege escalation comes in. Legion provides you with techniques to incrementally increase your access levels, helping you uncover deeper vulnerabilities. But here's the best part about Legion. It's not a static tool. It's a living, breathing project that's constantly updated. As new vulnerabilities are discovered and fresh exploits are developed, Legion evolves. You're not just using a tool, you're part of a community that's dedicated to strengthening the security of systems worldwide. If you're wondering how to stay updated, well, that's simple. Just keep an eye on the project's GitHub page. It's here that you'll find the latest updates, user guides, and even contributions from other ethical hackers. In fact, you can even contribute your own ideas and help improve Legion. Now, as we've explored, Legion isn't just a tool, it's a comprehensive framework. It's designed to streamline the entire process of ethical hacking, from information gathering to post-exploitation. It's not just about identifying vulnerabilities, but also about understanding them and learning how to patch them. The tool is constantly updated, ensuring that you have access to the latest and most effective techniques in ethical hacking. Legion is more than a tool, it's your companion on your journey to becoming a master ethical hacker. Before we move forward, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of ethical use. Ethical hacking is a world where power comes with responsibility. It's not about breaking into systems for personal gain or causing harm. It's about identifying vulnerabilities and strengthening security. And the first rule in this pursuit is obtaining explicit permission before testing or assessing any system. Without permission, not only do you risk legal consequences, but you also betray the trust and ethics that define our community. So when you wield the power of tools like Legion Root, do it with integrity. Use your skills to build, not break, to protect, not exploit. And remember, it's not just about what you can do, but also about what you should do. It's about walking the fine line between curiosity and respect, between exploration and invasion. Remember to follow legal and ethical guidelines. As we wrap up our exploration of Legion Root, it's clear that this tool is a must-have for ethical hackers. Legion streamlines penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and offers a wide range of tools for every ethical hacker's toolkit. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow hackers, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For more updates, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Bibash Sharma, and this has been another BP Coding production. Happy hacking, and I'll see you in the next video.